So we're going in with condensed milk.
Super milky. What a gentleman. Thank you.
I have brought up C, you know.
Really? It looked like drag up C to me. Our foodie family, welcome back to How to Foodie Nation. And today is all about peanut punch featuring our KitchenAid stand blender. So let's get blending.
You all know we're always listening to you guys in the comments. We're on YouTube, you're watching us on YouTube right now, and you guys always saying, Chef Jason, Kez, show us how to make this, how to make that. Peanut punch has been on the agenda for quite a while.
This one hits you in the heart, you hear?
I mean, here in Trinidad and Tobago and throughout the Caribbean, a good peanut punch is something that is so Caribbean-centric. You go by the punch man.
Must go by the punch man. Get something for the back.
Where's your favorite punch man, people? Tell us
in the comments. I
below.
mean, come on.
Yeah, let us know.
But if you do have a favorite punch man, this one is for you because now we're going to learn how to do it ourselves.
Let's do this. With the help of KitchenAid, of course.
Yay.
We have all the ingredients here. We're going to make this happen.
Okay.
So, I'm going to show you how to do this.
Because I realize we have to fend for myself today and
Well,
we can move.
We're going to have a little punch off.
Oh Lord, is that
Right?
punch off?
As our punch off today. All right, so let's get started. You all know that KitchenAid is very innovative in the design. Not only does the new stand blender have its large jug that you can use when you're blending anything, maybe soups or seasonings of that nature, but they also have this removable part that you could use these personal
that's
cups.
how that works.
Yes, personal cups.
Very cool.
So you put your product inside here, we screw it on. I'll show you guys in a little while. So we're going to put it back on top here.
Okay.
So watch me. Watch me.
What are we starting with?
Let's go in with our evaporated milk.
Okay. So I could do mine one time.
Go one time now. Go. Kezzy, not easy to deal with, you know. You'll figure, you'll know.
And I'm trying to wait.
So we're going evaporated milk. We're going to get that nice, rich, luscious feel from evaporated milk.
Okay.
You can also use a little bit of the traditional milk at home.
Regular milk.
Regular milk. So I'm going to go inside there so you get a richness. And this is a bit thinner.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to go inside there. Evaporated milk tends to be thin also. No, sorry, not thin, but a little thicker and sweeter.
Yeah, richer.
Richer inside there, all right?
Got it?
So we're going in with condensed milk.
Super milky. What a gentleman. Thank you.
I have brought up C, you know.
Really? It looked like drag up C to me.
You know.
I can put my business.
Listen, is she holding condensed milk? Listen, nice sweet just like this. We're going inside with that. All right. Comes out pretty decently, all right?
I want all.
You want all? I know.
I'm making sure to drain.
I've been telling you guys all the time. I don't know if you all know this, but condensed milk is actually my middle name. Because I'm sweet. You all know that. But I like that video one time. Like that video one time.
For the sweet man all
The sweet man. Okay.
Right.
So peanut butter goes inside there also. Let me help you. And you could do my own. This is what you know, camaraderie is all about.
Caring and sharing. Oh gosh.
Everything here is room temperature, so it actually amalgamates and blends very well. All right.
I want to make sure you want to scrape off.
You want to scrape it off? We hold, you know, so you just go just like that.
Yeah, and this is for you.
Yeah.
Cool.
Nice.
All right, so we have a almost half-filled cup already.
So we have all the nice rich ingredients. We're going in with a little bit of bitters in there, just a touch.
So we're flavoring up now. Thank you.
Okay. And we have vanilla essence. So half for you and half for me.
Half again.
And this is also going to be bringing a lot of flavor profiles into it. If there are any other flavoring elements that you use in your peanut punch, please let us know. Comment below. This is just a basic one we're showing you.
Do you even need more in your peanut punch? A good peanut punch is good as is.
All right, so you're going in with a little bit of cinnamon.
Okay.
Put the rest there for you.
Thank you, sir.
Cinnamon is just one of those
Almost
important.
sure we have my cinnamon.
All right. Well, it was, I guess, Anneli, dash it then.
Please leave me alone. Leave me alone. Get out of my kitchen.
Okay, if you don't want to dash, let me just be great with you. We're going to be we have nutmeg. We have my little mini grater.
Go.
And fresh nutmeg is the way to go. Anybody out there, I know punchmen will agree with me when making a good peanut punch. Some fresh nutmeg goes inside there. See?
So you're going to throw away the whole nutmeg one time?
One time. Freshly grated inside there. You can use the powdered one, nevertheless. But something about the vitality and the freshness of a spice that is grounded or processed right before your eyes.
That's enough?
Yeah, that's pretty good. So you tap it inside there. So that's it there now. So let me show you how this works.
So we done?
So yeah, at this point in time, well, you're
But where the ice? We didn't put an ice in there?
in a second. Let me show you how this is going to work. All right.
Sorry, boss.
You want ice in yours?
I like mine.
Okay, bring the ice. Bring some ice. Put some ice inside there.
I like mine, you know, like that whole milkshake vibe.
Oh,
frosty.
okay. So Kezzy is going to go along the milkshake kind of vibe in terms of the frosty.
Fancy.
So put some ice inside there. I am going to blend my own and then pour it over ice. So with the blender, it makes it possible on both avenues. You can blend it as it is, and it also crushes ice. You good there?
There we go. We good now. So I'll put this here.
If you all have been watching the show for the past 2 years, you'll know Kezzy is extremely extra in everything that she does. So bear with me. This is what I have to endure.
I mean,
but you know, she brings across the concepts in the best way possible.
You're welcome.
So let's go. So I'm taking this part.
Right.
And what I want to do is screw it on like this. Okay. Tight and nice. Tight and right, because at the end of the day, if it's not tight,
it ain't right.
It ain't right. I could tell you that. Let Chef Jason quote me on that. Put that there.
You've tried to figure out how to put it back on.
Yes. And we're going to start to pulse first.
Okay.
Let's go. And then we're going to go to level 1. Beautiful, huh? Our peanut punch, ladies and gents, is coming together. The milk, the condensed milk, the evaporated milk, the peanut butter, all the flavors and the essence inside there. Great. So I'm going to actually take this out right now.
Okay.
You want to hand me a cup across there?
Sure.
Take it out like that, turn it back over. So this is very handy when you really think about it. You want to put some ice inside there for me?
So now you want ice?
All right, okay. So, you know they always say women are always correct. You must listen to them. Because you had a point.
Last minute you want this ice.
All right, so we're going to go inside there. Now, I typically I'm a guy, so I like my drinks poured, you know, over ice. So
I like mine blended.
All right, go ahead, Kezzy. Go on then. Show everyone outside there the power of the KitchenAid and how you crush ice.
So we're just screwing back on.
Screwing it back on. Look
Tight.
at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Great job.
And then
put it
turn
there.
over.
Turn it over.
Wait, is this the right way?
This way. It just has a little lip in front here.
It has a little groove.
Little lip.
There we go.
So make it happen.
So we start with the pulse.
Start with the pulse. And then we hit it with 1. And then we go to 2. Yeah. Look at how beautiful that is. And you could see everything is crushing up inside here. You want to hit it with level 2 now? And this is amazing. This is the sheer power of KitchenAid, ladies and gents. They have been so innovative in the kitchen. Anywhere in the world, you would find KitchenAid as the main appliance in our kitchen, from blenders to soup blenders to immersers to even household stand mixers. KitchenAid is there. You want to get a cup so I could pour it for you?
Yes. But I don't need a cup.
Why?
Why I need a cup? When I could just take this to go.
Well, Papa, yo.
Easy.
So you're trying to tell me that how you could just take this on the way to go because it has this sort of like sip lip?
I mean, you wasted a whole glass.
So it's like one of those coffee things you put in your car and you could just
so
sip
you just
it on
blend and go. You blend and go.
So apart from doing peanut punch and so forth like that, you all would know that how this works very well for doing smoothies, as Kezzy mentioned.
Morning protein shakes.
Morning protein shakes. Well, you all know I know about that. Look at the guns. The guns is what you call way. No way. Listen, put that up here for me.
Sure.
Bring that up. Now, 2 easy applications as you could see here right now, right? I am going to just put some granola on top of mine just for a crunch factor.
Because come on.
You want some? Open yours now.
It's not you if it's not done right. All the way right and all the way fancy.
And you can see they have nice nuts inside of this. So you get a little bit of texture inside there. It's balanced also. Look at how beautiful that is.
Bite.
You want more?
Oh.
Kezzy, you're too greedy, girl.
Good to go. Come on.
I mean, look how beautiful that is.
So nice.
So what do you think?
So we could
knock
it back?
Let's try it.
Wait, I gotta cover mine back first because I want to play convenient girl.
Well, you know, you're a fancy kind of girl.
Cheers, sir.
Cheers to KitchenAid.
Yeah, of course.
Our milk mustache?
Oh, God.
Oh, this is so good.
So good. We're not supposed to be talking now about...
We don't talk when you're drinking peanut punch.
Half the...
No, God, you all know I'm a messy person.
Somebody get Chef a bib or a straw.
But this is the beauty about it. Some of these household dishes at home, from desserts to savory dishes to soups to smoothies.
So yummy.
So easy. It makes it, so convenient when using the KitchenAid line of equipment. This is our stand blender. It's new from KitchenAid. It's available here in Trinidad and Tobago. check them out on
Making
KitchenAid.
things simple for you.
KitchenAid
So you
Caribbean
can make
and
your own
yes.
peanut punch, so you don't have to go out and buy. This is good. I like this. I want to go with it.
Tell me something. How was the texture of the ice in it as compared to this?
So smooth. Like the ice completely gone. I mean, a good blender crushes ice anyway, but this, not even an ice strip. Really good and really cool feel.
Yeah. I think, ladies and gents, I think Kezzy was right in blending the ice. You get a different texture inside there.
You're welcome.
I'm a bit stubborn sometimes, but that's why we have Kezzy on the show.
Guys, please tell us when you try this peanut punch recipe, because it's not one to miss. You know, we love to hear from you. Be sure to let us know in the comments when you try this recipe. We may need to do another blended drink, I feel.
We can. I mean, let us know if you have any comments on any other drinks here throughout Trinidad and Tobago, any of your favorites throughout the Caribbean. Let us know. We're not hearing from you guys up there in terms of drinks. You all are sending in your comments about food. St. Kitts, Nevis, Grenada, Barbados, Bahamas. We're waiting for you guys. Let us know. Tell us. Communicate with us. Subscribe. Comment below. Like the video. Share the video. Foodie Nation is here, making it easy for you guys. Kezzy and myself, we love you and we're listening to you guys all the time.
So until next time, I'm looking forward to a little beetroot, a little sea moss, a little some.
Sea moss is very popular. You want to tell us?
Definitely.
Sea moss? I don't know.
Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.